Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Zach, and I'm so excited to be here this moment. So today we're going to talk about codewar, a platform that can help you to level up your skills in programming, especially when you want to really know how you can be good at problem solving, like doing data structure and algorithm. So yeah, I found this tool very helpful, and we're going to start from scratch about how a new user can use this platform to level up his skills. Let's go. So yeah, I've created an account using my email and password by creating a new user. You can see from here, I have 0 point, like I have nothing, like I'm completely new. And after like creating an account, this is what you will receive, and this is like uh, the first screen you will see. So they will recommend you a question right here, but let's first see the useful feature for this platform, and we'll see in the future more of about other things and why we'll be solving problems together. So yeah, so we have here home, and in a home what we have is right here the recommended question. By the good side, you might also see the comment from other people. That's the good part for this platform. I will reach on that, but let's see in practice. So this is where you should start. I would recommend you to start, because right here you would have a way of kind of query the kind of question you are looking for and the skills that you want to level up, right? So for new user, right here you have 8Q as your rank. That's how codewar is good. It ranks you or classify you based on how many points that you have. So right here we have, you can first sort by your question, like maybe by the newest, by the oldest. By my preference, most of the time I choose popularity. So they will kind of now list question based on how fame or how people like those questions, like the stars those questions have. And right here you will choose the language or of your preference, but you might even choose it when you're about to solve it. Here we have status, so the different question, because this platform, there are a stage where if you are a user, you may have points that they can give you access to be able to create your own question. So some question might be not approved yet, so here you might choose which kind of question. Is it approved and better, or approved or better, based on your preference. But yeah, of course you need the approved one. That's what I would recommend. And here's the progress. You might like to repeat the question that you've completed, like, or you might also prefer the question that you've not completed, or the one that you've never ever trained on. So for example, here because this user, or the user I created, is completely new. However, I choose already, I don't have any question that I solved, but we'll see that in the future, how that will help us. So you see that here we can select, this is a very important part, we can select now the hard, like from the top we start from the easiest up to the hardest. So you choose based on how you feel like your skills really are, right? So if you are completely a beginner, it's better to start with 8Q questions, right? If you feel like you want to advance, then you grow up with time. So let's, for example, select 8Q, right? So if I select 8Q, I click on it, right? You see the check mark, but still I'm seeing 6Q, so I will click outside of it, then it will load, right? So it will load, and now only the 8Q question will be listed on my screen. So you might also even choose the mixture. You might choose also 5Q together with 8Q. So the more, as you can see, from the top is the easiest, and from up to 1 is the hardest. So we'll solve as the way ranks follow one another, right? And I hope, yeah, we'll have fun together. So here we have tags. You might also kind of prefer what kind of field or specification that you want to kind of master, right? Some might prefer, there's algebra type questions, there's algorithm questions, array based question, binary bit combination, so based on the skills that you want to master, this platform can help you to really choose where do you want, and they'll provide the questions that relate to that specific area that you want to master. So this is a very, very good platform. Yeah. So you see, we have functional programming, and most of the focus that will be focusing on in this series will be based on data structure and algorithm. Yeah, but also we can touch on other areas. Yeah. So this is it, and you can see how important and the other features. This platform do have opportunities for job and everything. You might chat on Discord with other people that are using it's really good platform. But also there's also another last feature that I would like to end. The setting, you might even don't like black background, you might make it white or turn back to black. I'm really big fan with black. But also the good part I want to talk is also about your profile, right? You can see your profile and the statistic about you. What is your username? What is the solution that you have solved? So you see, right now I'm like, what, like, I don't have anything, right? If you see, my rank is 8Q, my honor is 0, my total completed kata is 0 because I'm completely new user right here. But with time we will see how those things will change. So what you are seeing here is they even show you how much, like, the steps you require for you to go to the next rank, right? So from the my profile to shift from 8Q to 7Q, I need, like, I'll be moving till I full this circle. So I'll be able to go to even the percentage. They'll say you have this, you miss this percentage, so that you can go to the next kata. So the other part, you can even see the language that you use. But the other important part, very important, these are also very useful, this navigation. But I like, maybe you want to come back and say about your solution. Here you say I have no solution yet, and that one we see that. But also I like this part of social. It is possible that you might be in a specific NGO, they say a company, and this company there are a lot of devs, and you can choose it as your social. I will show you how to choose a specific group that you are into, so that they might list you based on how you perform. So say a specific NGO, they will rank you, say, okay, this guy has a lot of points, and that's kind of like motivates you a little bit, right? So yeah, we'll see how we do that. And I think I would invite everyone to come on this series and learn a lot with me, and I hope that we'll be learning a lot together. Subscribe, like, share, and if you have any suggestion, any comment, don't fear, just share it. Thank you so much. Ciao ciao.